Many of us around the world have been forced to work remotely over the last year because COVID 19 has made going into the office impossible. If the idea of having to return to the office someday doesn't appeal to you, consider switching to a full time remote position. Consider how simple it would be to start your commute by simply opening your laptop or turning on your computer. You have the option of working at that coffee shop you've always wanted to visit when they open back up. Perhaps you have always wanted to visit a foreign country. Working from home can open up a lot of doors, but it can be difficult to break into a full-time remote job. Fortunately, online tutoring is quickly becoming a viable full-time remote option with the potential for earning as appealing as the freedom it provides. Because of the current pandemic, as well as the constant evolution of affordable and accessible technology, an increasing number of students are transferring their education and studying sessions to the internet. StudyPool provides the ideal opportunity to fully capitalize on the popularity of remote and distance-based learning. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Today, we will be talking about how you can earn money using StudyPool. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. What exactly is StudyPool? StudyPool is a website that connects students with tutors who can assist them with their questions. StudyPool connects you with thousands of qualified tutors who can help you with any question at any time. You can use this platform to work as a tutor and even sell your notes and assignments without paying a fee. Entrepreneur, Forbes, and Inc. have already covered it. It's a massive community with millions of students and eager learners. You can get assistance with posting the questions and earn money by answering them as well as selling the documents and notes. Students can earn money by selling notes in StudyPool, which is the main benefit. Students can use StudyPool to access a variety of tools to help them with their homework, including a note bank, study guides, and a homework Q&A section. Students can purchase study materials such as sample quizzes, homework notes, and additional documents at the note bank. Once a student has found a document that they like, they can purchase it for $5 to $10. StudySoup, a platform that allows students to turn their class notes into cash, is similar to this. This platform, on the other hand, has a lot more features than StudySoup. In-depth guides on specific subjects such as book reviews or subject deep dives can be found in the study guide section. Students can also purchase these guides for a small fee. A compendium on Lord of the Files is an example of a study guide that a student might come across. The homework Q&A section is the final tool provided by StudyPool. Students can post their questions here for tutors to answer. This is where you enter the picture. Working at StudyPool eliminates all of the hassles that come with starting a tutoring business. Historically, brick-and-mortar tutors could only work during school hours and had to find their own students. StudyPool does all the legwork for you by actively promoting your profile to students, rewarding excellent performance with subject badges, and allowing you to set your own teaching schedule. Gig workers have access to a variety of online tutoring opportunities, but what distinguishes StudyPool from the competition? Students can post a question on StudyPool if they have a question about their homework. Tutors can bid on the job if they believe they can answer the question. We will break down the StudyPool platform into 3 sections to better explain how it works: bidding on questions, introducing yourself to the student, and answering their questions. As a tutor, you can search the site for questions that you think you can answer. You can set your price and bid on a job if you believe you have what it takes. Bidding on questions with smaller budgets is the easiest way for new tutors to get their first job. This will allow you to get your feet wet and establish a track record that students can look at. When placing your bid, students will set a time limit and a budget for you to see. If your bid falls within these parameters, you will have the best chance of winning the auction. If a student likes your proposal and thinks you'd be a good fit for the job, you've got it. If not, you can try your luck with other jobs. You are free to make as many bids as you like. Payment will be sent to StudyPool and held until the question is answered if a student accepts your bid. Payment will be sent to you once the student is satisfied with the response. When you have been chosen and your tutoring session is about to begin, you will need to give the student a thorough introduction. Tell them about yourself and why you are the right person to help them. If you have any questions for the student, make sure to ask them before you begin. If you want to provide the best help possible, you need to know how knowledgeable they are on the subject. Remember that if the student likes you, he or she will return to you for additional assistance. When responding to the question via the online platform, make sure to be as specific as possible. Before the time limit runs out, you should give the student a thorough answer and explanation. Make sure your answer is free of typos and misspellings before submitting it. If a student requires clarification or wishes to collaborate, you can use the messaging feature. Always provide citations when appropriate and never ever plagiarize. Your job is finished once the student is satisfied with your response. You will be added to each other's friends list and you will be able to ask each other questions in the future. Then it is time for you to get paid. Tutors at StudyPool have complete control over how much time they work, when they work, and how much they charge. Tutoring is a flexible job that can be used part-time or full-time to supplement your income. Because of their freedom and flexibility, this is an excellent job for teenagers or a great way for college students to supplement their income when they are not studying. You will get repeat customers once you start answering questions and building a reputation. You can build a steady stream of income over time by developing a network of students. A flexible schedule is also advantageous. With questions being asked at all hours of the day and night, you can truly work on your own schedule. There are no limits to how many questions you can work on, and there are no rules about how much or how little you can work. With that in mind, becoming a study pool tutor is an excellent choice for those looking for a full-time job or a dependable and lucrative side hustle. Study pool tutors can earn up to 6 figures, and the most successful tutors can earn up to $100,000. However, your earnings will be directly proportional to the amount of work you do. Study pool keeps 15 to 30% of the total cost of the question as commission, allowing them to run the platform efficiently. You will start to get repeat students as your platform experience grows. This is the most reliable way to ensure a steady income. So make sure to highlight your personality and skill set as much as possible. How do you go about becoming a study pool tutor? All study pool tutors must hold a bachelor's degree or be enrolled in college. Aside from that, there are no other prerequisites for becoming a tutor. To begin, go to www.studypool.com and select Become a Tutor. Then you must fill in some basic information about yourself, as well as any academic experience you may have. You will then flesh out your profile by writing a brief biography that demonstrates why you believe you'd make a good tutor. Following that, you'll be asked a series of short questions to demonstrate your subject knowledge. You can choose from a variety of subjects to answer the questions, ranging from math and humanities to computer science and engineering. These responses will be evaluated, and subject badges will be awarded to your profile. You will be able to use the platform at your leisure after passing this stage. Students seek help at all hours of the day and night, and while question volume does follow the established school semesters, with the busiest times of year being around the fall and spring semesters, there has never been a better time to be a study pool tutor. Study pool pays its tutors via PayPal, TransferWise, Western Union, and Payoneer, among other payment methods. Study pool could be a good option if you are looking for some extra cash. You can earn money in your spare time by answering questions and assisting students with their homework. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.